Ryan with Miss.Geek here, and today we're going to take a look at the BITX40 rebuild, the next phase of it, and I've also got some exciting news to share. I also want to send a special thank you for those who you know who you are. I have a video coming up maybe in the next week or so about some amazing things that have happened here at Miss.Geek, thanks to my awesome listeners or viewers or readers or whatever. Uh, the people who are taking in the information that I'm putting out, which is, I'm just trying to have fun with this stuff. Anyway, so I'll show you the BitX40 where we're at with it and go over a few details. Also have a pretty cool announcement. I'm not one to toot my own horn, but it was mentioned on the Solder Smoke blog by Bill Mara over there. Thank you, Bill. Also, somebody, I forget whom, posted it on the BitX20 groups.io group. And that is, you are now seeing articles from me on hackaday.com. So if you've never been to hackaday.com, well, gosh, go down to hackaday.com. But if, like me, you've been a reader for years and years and years, then you'll be seeing you might be stoked to see my name on there. I am way stoked to see my name on there. And I'm really honored to be part of a fantastic writing crew of people with way more experience doing technical things than I have. So it's very humbling. But anyway, so you'll see my articles there. There's already a few, and you'll be seeing more. So go check it out, hackaday.com, HACKADAY.com. So that's that, and that's not a full-time job, by the way. It's just part-time writing. So something I love to do anyway, which is why I have a blog. And so anyway, I'm just super stoked about it. So let's get to the BitX40. I'll show you what we've got going on for the All right, so what we're looking at on the BitX40 is mostly what you've seen before in other videos about it. But I've got a I've got a QRP Labs bandpass filter board here. It's bandpass filters with their low-pass filter switchboard, but I've modified it for use as a low-pass filter switchboard, which is something that the QRP Labs website has information about doing. All in the top left corner there, you can see the low-pass filter board, and it's got 3 low-pass filters in it. Now, this is eventually going to have 4 filters, 40, 20, 15, and 10. In the low-pass filter up here, I've got 40, 20, nothing, and 15, because the top position there, where the 15 is, has to have something in it, because that filter is always in line for better filtering. So once I get a 10, I'll put that in there and move the 15 over. And so the goal is to have automatic band switching, just by selection, to go from 40, 20, 15, and 10, which is the reason I put up the video, or that I built and put up the video about the end-fed half-wave antenna, which was super easy to build, by the way. The Poor 7805 regulator here, it's powering, well, all the 5-volt stuff, including 2 relays, the Arduino, the SI5351 board, and this display. So it's begging for mercy. So it's got a big giant heat sink on it. It was dropping out pretty bad. But these boards will have to be driven through, eventually they're going to be driven through the same as this, which is a BS170, because it switches by switching the ground, not the power. So of course I could probably just I could probably do that with Arduino directly, but actually I can't, because I got to do 2 sets of relays. So just going to do that through BS170s, which means I'm probably going to design a new board for the VFO and everything else. Just get that all on one board. And then once it's all done, clean up this mess of wiring and get it all beautiful and get it into a permanent case. So, because once this is done, that's it. This project is completed. I will never touch it again. I'm just going to use the heck out of it. So, and that's assuming that I get this Nito mic compressor circuit installed too. That's one of my goals. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you around. And if you have any questions, please put your questions or comments below, any suggestions. I was having this YouTube channel, as I wasn't sure about doing it. I thought, well, I've got the blog. Why do I need a YouTube channel? Turns out I love it, but turns out you guys do too. I've gotten some really nice feedback and also some contributions, which I will be sharing in a forthcoming video. So thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It'll help me out. But eventually, when I get enough subscribers, over 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will actually start paying me for having a YouTube channel, which would be really handy and help me to have a little income so I can keep doing this stuff. And who knows, maybe even do it more often. Anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate y'all. And 73, take care.